Hey guys, I got 3 packages in the mail. These are all from eBay. Let's open them up and see what they are. First one is 2 Loyal Subjects figures. It's from the same guy that I got the other ones. Retail, they're $17.50, which I think is kind of much, so I'm trying to get them, together instead of just getting one at a time. The first one is the Green Ranger. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. There's the Green Ranger. It comes with his helmet, a blade blaster, and the sort of darkness. And they all come with a card showing what they look like, which I think is kind of cool. And then the next one is the Pink Ranger. There's the Pink Ranger. She comes with her helmet, power bow, and the blade blaster. And then there's her card. I can't remember offhand how much all this stuff was. Let's see, the next one. Let's see what's in here. Comes with a poster. Huh, I never knew that. Guess it comes with a card for a digital episode of Ultimate Spider-Man. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. It also comes with a note. Let's see. It says, "Hi Daniel, thank you so much for your purchase. Enjoy your new figure." Well, that's cool. Definitely going to buy stuff from them again. And then the little poster that it comes with. It says Marvel Mini-Mates. Kind of a cool poster. Might hang on to that. And then the next thing is I've been trying to collect as many of these as I can. And that is S&H Figuarts Follow Eagle, the Japanese release. It's brand new. Looks pretty cool. Glad to have that and to add that to my collection. And then the last package came all the way from Japan. It's the Japanese release. Let's open this up. Could have been packaged nicer. It's just wrapped in a newspaper. Apparently this is supposed to be brand new. Hopefully it is for the price that I paid for it. I know this one I paid with shipping, it was just under $60. I think it was 55 something. And more paper. At least it's wrapped in plastic wrap, so that's good. It's the Japanese release, Morpher from Gokaiger. It's in pretty good shape. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like the Japanese release more because they look nicer. And also that came with this one is a couple of the keys. There's that one. Not too sure offhand which keys these are. I know a few of them. This one is Ninja Storm in America. Not too sure what the Japanese name for it are. Megaforce. Another Megaforce. And another Megaforce one. What else? I think in total I got like 17 keys with this, which I think is a really good price. Super Megaforce. I know this one here is Gokaiger in Japan. The other ones I'm not too sure. And then that's Mystic Force. Another Gokaiger. Wrapped in more paper. There's that one there. That one. This one is SPD, Megaforce. This one I was glad to get, and that's Dino Thunder in America. And this one I believe is Go Busters, which is pretty cool. Is that it? Nope, there's some more. More paper. RPM. Mystic Force. And I believe this is the last one. Samurai. Is that it? Yep, that's it. So if you like this video, can you leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe? Thank you.